Let's go down there. This does is toy. Let's go down.
Okay.
Jerry has a girl.
Chikoy.
We are pirates. Isle.
Kasali ba si Chikoy?
Yes.
That's a pirate dog. Bakit? The breath stinks?
Yes.
Ew! Not brushing the teeth.
Lala.
Chikoy.
I said lala. Si Mami Mili ata.
Anong bibilin mo? Anong bibilin mo? Ha?
Sino si Debbie? Nabalik yung ice.
Ice?
Yes. Nababahuan din si Debbie.
Kanino?
Si Debbie.
Kay Chikoy?
This is not moving.
Not moving. Yes, because this boat is broken.
Yun?
The what?
That?
Fishing rod?
Yes, kaya.
No, that's not a fishing rod. That's I don't know what that is.
Let me show you.
Careful, it's dangerous.
Ako dun?
Huh?
Pwede ako dun?
No,
Why?
because it's dangerous.
Why?
Dangerous, you might fall.
Because there's a big hole.
Yes, there's a big hole, a lot of hole.